Here's the water on the outside shutoff, which well, you can see it's dripping, but this needs to be replaced. This stopper right, this piece right here, cannot be shut off. It's going to continue to drip. This is the tile right outside the bathtub. You can see that the some of the grout is gone, but if I put my foot here, that corner lifts. If I put my foot here, so it's no longer connecting, and anyone that steps out of here, you're gonna get water in here. This is opened up and it's getting into the floor.